So when you cut your hole out, you put this down, then this goes underneath it after it's glued.
I think you need duct tape, sweetie. I'll get you some. You can hand it to him. Okay, you go ahead and get inside there, and I'll hand it to you, and you hand it to him, okay? Give it to Pops. Yeah. Yep. I'm a big helper. You are a big helper.
One more. That's all.
I have to pull off my finger there.
Pull. This is how you become committed.
No turning back.
Easy as cake. Piece of pie. So it came out perfect.
Pops, be careful up there. What's a little bumpy?
This goes on the roof. And this will be inside. So the metal's between these two. It'll fit in there. And then that attaches to this once you get this down good. Here's the caulk for it.
Oh, it's like a tape.
Like a putty tape. What do you do with my drill?
You just did it again. Blamed me. Last time I touched your drill, I handed it to you. Is it still up there?
I don't know. It's right here, where you put it. Ah, spider.
Oh my gosh.
Eek a mouse. Oh, it doesn't fit. Just kidding. Ooh, that drill bit is perfect. Uh-oh. I got off.
I don't like uh-ohs.
I got off. Crud. Okay. So the standard hole is 14 inches square. That's kind of a standard for vents and air conditionings and stuff. And this is 1/8 inch less than 14 by 14. So it fits in there with a little bit of slop. So I put it in there and pushed it up to the top and to the left, and I drilled my holes. And I started drilling, but as I got down here, this got moving a little bit. And some of these holes were off about 1/8.
So now do you have a lot more holes in the roof?
Well, they're right next to each other.
Oh, so they're just one
I'm
big
ashamed
hole.
to show them because it's not pretty, but it's all it'll all be hidden.
Okay. It's not going to leak, is it?
Absolutely not.
Don't get a metal splinter.
I did already. That should work. Now I need you to find me an X-Acto knife in my toolkit.
Okay. Okay, where are the scissors? In being a little impatient?
Right there somewhere.
Right
Scissors.
here
Right there on the
somewhere.
table. Right there on the table. Scissors on the table.
Okay.
Right there on the table. Right on the top.
Okay. And this toolbox has your X-Acto knife?
Yep. And the outside, on the side. Climb up the ladder with an X-Acto knife and scissors.
At least I'm not running.
Okay, so you're gonna put this up to the ceiling, okay? And it's gonna fit fine. And your hands are gonna be on the left and right side, not on the front and the back, but on the left and right side, right here.
Okay.
On this side, and you're gonna push right here in the center. And I'm just gonna put those screws in, and then you can stop. Then you don't have to do any more.
Okay.
Okay, and you're just. Oh, I get to see you.
Hi.
Okay, so you're gonna just push right there. I'm gonna put a hole in there.
Okay.
Does it look like it's any surprises?
No, it's a good snug fit. Oops, except this way.
That's okay. Just kind of put it in the middle.
Okay.
That was too easy.
Okay, I'll be back in a second. See what the emergency is.
Emergency!
Emergency!
So what was the emergency the kids had?
Oh, Iron Man had Play-Doh in his little indentations, and it had to be dug out.
Okay, apparently Play-Doh got on Iron Man's. I'm not doing.
You're doing fine. What happened with the screws?
There's two types of screws left over. There's 4 and 4. 4 big stainless screws and 4 smaller screws with a white head. And the smaller screws are for the interior stuff, which we're not doing yet. And the big ones are the ones I need to mount this. But they don't align up yet. How's it look?
Looks good. You're no longer stealth.
True. There's 4 mounting screws. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
It's just turning. Okay, now it's going in. Okay, here's what I need. In my toolbox, there is a tool that has a point on it. This is like a screwdriver with a black handle that has just a point on it. I need that.
Would you call that an
awl?
awl? You couldn't just say, I need my awl.
It's always the last one that gives you trouble. Did I give you back the X-Acto knife?
No. I know what you need up there. A yoga mat.
There'll be no yoga. You sure I didn't give you the X-Acto knife?
Nope, you gave me the scissors and 4 screws.
Before that.
Nope. Did you use it when you were cutting the caulk?
Yeah.
Okay.
So are the scissors down there?
You gave me the scissors.
Okay.
You want them?
I need the X-Acto knife.
Okay, well, all I have is scissors. You throw it down here somewhere?
Well, I don't see it.
Hmm.
Okay, here, let me give you some stuff.
I thought you were going to throw that at me.
Yeah, that's what I do. I throw things at you.
Well, I thought it was going to fall on
Ah,
my
here it
head.
is. It was underneath. That's what I thought. Okay. I'm ready for a nap.
Me too.
as Uncle Bunt would say, my social security net.
We're whiners, aren't we?
What do you bet I can hit the camera with a piece of putty?
Go ahead and try.
What do I get?
Snapple.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, right
Ooh,
on
you
the
hit
knee.
me.
Sorry.
Got me in the shin. I'd lift the camera up there, but I'm just too tired. So I'm going to assume that our viewers know how to trim caulk.
Scribe the inside edge of the caulking boundary with the number 2 X-Acto blade, finely sharpened.
I guess you're not talking to me because you're talking really, really quiet.
It's just me and 30,000 viewers.
Oh, you wish. Hey, what's up? See the fan up there? Help us install it. It's a lot of work. He's been up there a long time, hasn't he?
What do you bet I can hit the camera with this piece of caulk?
I don't know.
Make it worth my struggle.
I'm too tired. Okay, I'm going to bet you something really good next time. You're sharpening me. You're going to have me bet something really big next time. And you're going to hit it.
It's really only about a 3-hour job, maybe 4. Maybe 4 if you stare at it a little bit. I could literally do this again in 2 hours with a Snapple break in the middle. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our sponsor, Snapple. Just kidding, we don't have any sponsors. You can't get sponsors with 5 subscribers. 23 subscribers, woohoo! Last chunk of caulking. What if I hit the camera with this? What do I get? Make it good.
Kit Kat.
Is that a euphemism?
No, it's a Kit Kat.
Oh!
You hit your grandson. That ball of putty. Okay.
Wait! Look! I've got another piece.
Get out of the
Come
way,
on,
guys.
bump me up from Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. That's as best as I'm going to do. Caught it. Oh, Pops needs me. He's standing there. Hey, speak up next time. Go out there so we can
MaxxAir
see.
Fan installed. Oh no, I gotta caulk it. Crud.
Make sure to like and subscribe. It's because this video is almost over.
Tell everyone on the video what the fan is going to be used for. Why do we need a fan in our van? To get the smells out, right? And
Yes.
what kind of smells are we getting out?
Poop and fart.